Hello children, welcome back to your e-learning classes. Today we are going to learn a very beautiful poem written by Kavi Guru Ravindranath Tagore, Sunday. So, you turn to page number 101, New Mulberry Part B book, and we will learn the poem, Sunday. Before we start the poem, let us know about the poet Ravindranath Tagore. Ravindranath Tagore was also known as Kavi Guru or Vishwa Guru Ravindranath Tagore. He was a great Indian poet who has given many famous writings to the country. He was a great poet who is well known all over the world as a great Indian poet and a writer of all ages. He was born to a rich and cultured family in Kolkata on May 7, 1861 to Devendranath Tagore and Sharada Devi. He lost his mother in 1875 when he was 14 years old. He was interested in writing poems at an early age. He was also a painter, a philosopher, a patriot, a singer. His great writings in the form of novels and short stories indicates his talent. He was the poet who wrote National Anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913 for his great English version of Gitanjali. He was the first Asian to get this award. He was the founder of Vishwa Bharati University at Shantiniketan in 1902, which is now an international university. So student, let us start with the beautiful poem Sunday. Sundays are special days of the week, days when we can spend our times as we like, doing things we like to do. Let us read a poem that compares Sundays with other days of the week. Ravindranath Tagore has written many poems and short stories for children. He was one of the favorite writer of children. So, here he is saying in this poem, if we will summarize it, that Sundays are special days of the week. Why it is special days of the week? It is not only special days of the week for children, but for all of us. Because Sunday brings us happiness. We can spend time with our family members. We can do many things that we wanted to do in other days of the week. But because of our busy schedule, we cannot do it. So Sunday is one day of the week which brings lots of happiness, energies, enthusiasm, togetherness, bonding, love, everything. So Sunday is really near to our heart. So this is actually the summary that the poet is saying. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and all other days come fast from far in their home. And he is saying that I am sure that each one has a big motor car because they are coming from far and they are coming so fast. He is asking his mother that why Sunday is so slow, why it comes so late, why it works so slow. And then he is also saying that these weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday come as if they mean to stay. Means they don't want to go to their home and they even bother to go home and dream of going away. The boy is saying, "Oh mother, why is Sunday always in much and awful hurry? Awful hurry? The hours seem to strike at half as if they are inferring. In his home beyond the sky as a lot of work on hold." So here the boy is complaining that these Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they comes and they stay and they don't go. But Sunday comes and stay for few hours, and then he is in a hurry to go. The boy is also saying that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday have faces glum. Means they have a proud faces and which they don't like at all. The little kids don't want to see those gloomy faces. But at the end, what happened at the Saturday night? They awake and they see the Sunday morning greeting with smile face. The Sunday has a smiley face, but other days of the week they have a sad gloomy face which the children don't like. But when Sunday comes, greet with a smile which is so bright, it also goes so fast, it takes farewell so fast that tears roll down from the children's faces. So let's get started with the recitation of poem Sunday. The weekdays come so fast and thick, how do they travel to reach so quick? But why does Sunday take so long, behind the others trudging on? The weekdays are an unkind lot, to go back home they have no thought. But why is Sunday so pursued, that she stays half the time she should? The weekdays come with such dull long faces, no child can stand such airs and graces. But when at weekends I get up, there's Sunday with her face lit up. So here the boy is saying the weekdays, that is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and other days of the week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, they come so fast and they stay so long. From so far they are coming. How do they come so far? Did they have a motor car or something? But why Sunday is so long? So long means walk so slowly, it comes so late. Behind the others trudging on. Trudging on means walking with slow heavy steps, because it seems that the Sunday is so tired that it comes so late after the other days of the week. The weekdays are an unkind lot, to go back home they have no thought. Here the boy is complaining that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday come as if they mean to stay, and they never think of their homes and they don't want to go back. But Sunday comes so late and it stay for half the time. Why half the time? Because children, we have 24 hours in a day, and 12 hours you think is the night and 12 hours is the day, and he is saying that it comes so fast and it stay, but it doesn't stay for long hours, and it's just come and it's just go back. So he is saying here, is complaining that it stays only for half the time. Then he is also saying the weekdays come with such dull long faces. The boy is saying that the weekdays have long dull faces and very proud faces, and no child wants to see those gloomy, sad, long faces. But when the weekends come, that is the Saturday night, and the boys get up in the Sunday morning, and the Sunday do what? The Sunday greet children with a bright smile on its face. So this is the poem Sunday. Hope you have liked it. Hope you have understand the poem and you have enjoyed the poem. So what is your work to do? You will write the poem Sunday in your school note copy, and you will write the word meanings also in the school note copy from the book. So this is your homework, children. See you in the next video with the question and answer. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.